Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today I am bringing you up and close to the camera. That is because today we are trying something super new. So if you don't know, I did break out again, so we are sort of starting from the beginning. And again, so I figured since I broke out, why not try some new things to see if it will work or not. And again, if I break out anyways, my face is not perfect, so this is a very good time to actually do this. So today I've got with me, and I've got an aloe vera plant that I got from the bushes because it's been there. I don't know where they sell them. They probably sell it, but I guess everyone has this plant at home, or it's actually somewhere near you. So let us try this trend that has been going on YouTube that I've been seeing, and I was like, I don't think I want to take it, but let's take it and start. So I told someone to come back with aloe, and this is what they got me. This is what they got me. This. What the hell is this, guys? Is this some type of aloe, or they're within the same family? I don't know, but I am damn not going to use this on my face. So I ended up with the whole plant, you guys, like literally from the roots. And actually, you guys, I was so happy. At first I was like, okay, you got the whole plant, but then I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna be able to actually have a lot of this because I wanted to try it on my hair as well. So I have this whole plant, and every time I ran out, I would just go back and snip out the plant and make sure that I have everything. And again, you guys, to maintain this thing is super simple. So if you want to have it in your house or something like that, I feel like it's easy. You can just be traveling and it will still grow because it doesn't require a lot of water. Well, to be honest, I never bothered to even water it. So the first thing that I normally do is to actually just cut one leaf. Is it called a leaf? I don't know, just one thing right there. And again, what I've noticed with my aloe, it has this white things at the front, and I just asked around, more especially older people, if this is a real aloe plant, and they were like, yeah, that is the one, so you don't need to panic. And again, the inside looks just the same with any other aloe plant without the dots. So I was assured that this is the real plant and this is what I'm looking for. So what I want to do now is to cut the thorns, because you don't want to like have the thorns on your face. It's painful. So I'm just cutting the sides and make sure that everything is out. Other people, you guys, actually blend this plant and you make sure that the juices are like well nice, but I felt like, you know, I don't have time. Like, you know, skincare on its own is just a lot of work, and then now I need to just blend and do all those stuffs. I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna not blend these things. I'm just gonna use the leaves. You're gonna see what I'm talking about right now. And again, as I was cutting this, you guys, I realized that it's got a lot of slimy juices. I was like, oh my god, that is super disgusting. I don't know if I want to put this on my face, but I was like, okay, this looks okay. So what I did is to go in half, you know, just put the knife just in the center part of the plant, and then have like even products on both the leaves. I don't know if you guys get it. So because I wanted a lot of juices, or a lot of juice, I just went on with my finger and, you know, just what am I doing? Yeah, what I'm doing right there to make sure that the juices are out, and that it helps a lot because you get to see a lot of product. Now I understand why people actually blend it. So this is what I pretty much did every time I wanted to use the leaf, and the remaining I'll just put it in the fridge and make sure that it's sealed. So I've got with me this aloe vera juice. That's a lot of juice. It's so slimy, y'all, and it smells. So today we're gonna be doing this thing. So let me show you how my face is currently looking. This is the other side. And this is the other side. My waist side. That's how it looks. And we've got this, and we've got my forehead. So I'm gonna start with my forehead, and oh, that is a nice glow actually. And then I'm gonna bring it to my okay, I just put that on my eyes. I thought it was gonna be super painful, but it's not. So it looks like it's safe for your eyes, but never taste this because I did, and it tastes hella bad. It tastes super bad. So this is day one. Oh, it feels so good, y'all. I feel like I wanna freeze this. I think it will feel much better when it's super cold. So just this tiny leaf on its own feels super great. So feels like I can do this the whole day. I'm supposed to actually wash this off, but I'm gonna just sleep on it. It's actually, I don't know what time is it, around 9 o'clock p.m. and what I'm going to do is just to blow it and make sure that it's dry. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in with moisturizer on top or just go to sleep like this, but after the one, you guys, I decided to actually wear the ALOE as a mask for 15 minutes and rinse. And again, wearing a moisturizer on top of this is just a no-no because it becomes super white and look weird. So yeah, it is currently day 2 and here's how my face is looking. Day 2. Forehead, chin, the other side, yeah. And now I'm gonna go in with my cold. Oh, it's the first time with the cold. Ooh, okay. Oh, that is refreshing actually. It's nicer when it's kind of cold, you guys. It's so refreshing when it's cold. So God, we still have a little bit of redness on this side. I was hoping to actually have them down a little bit, have the redness a little bit down, but we still have that. And let's do the forehead. We have another red one. Yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow. And then we've got this side which is a bit red as well, but we'll see. Okay, that is disgusting actually, but yeah, that is that. So you guys, I didn't actually record this on a daily basis, but I was continuing with this mask application. And you guys, this is about day 5 and I don't think I see any difference. Like, do you guys see anything? I don't think I do. But one thing I can say, you guys, is it is super soothing. Like, it is super nice. It's super nice actually to apply this thing. And if you're not a fan of slimy things, then this is not for you, but it's super nice, more especially when it's cold. So this is another day, you guys, and my scars are still there, my pimples are still there, although I'm becoming like my face, more especially my forehead, is becoming a little bit tight. I don't know if there's such thing as closing the pores or anything like that, but I realized that my face is actually becoming super smooth and I was super enjoying that. I was like, I really want to do this mask again because it really feels good, first of all, and second of all, my skin just looks like airtight, if that is the word. And I just kept on doing that for I think I did this for 15 days. Hey guys, I don't know what day is this. I'm just gonna put it somewhere here. I'm actually home right now and I just want to show you guys my face. I just applied the mask and I've got like 1, 2, 3 and another one on my forehead and another one right here. But most of the time, you guys, when I come back home, every time I come back home I develop pimples. My face was doing super great before I came here. So since I came home, I've got like about 5 of them, which is taking me back a little bit. So far, the ALOE is just smoothing my face. We're just gonna see in 2 days when I'm back. And yeah, I don't want to show you guys what's going on with my head, but yeah, so peace. I don't know if it's only me, you guys. Every time I change locations, my face suffers the most, more especially when I change locations to home. Like, I don't know whether it's the environment or it's the water at home. I have no idea, but every time I go home, my face has to react. Like, and I don't understand because I'm always changing locations. The things that I do requires me to change locations. So I don't know, you guys. If this happens to you, please let me know down below so that I know I'm normal. So this is my face as time goes by, and ever since I came back, my face was starting to actually recover, and I knew that was going to happen. So I don't know if it's the effect of the ALOE or it's just the change of environment, because every time I come back I always look much better. But this is my face with continuation of the product, and yeah, I don't know if you guys can see anything, but what I've noticed so much is the forehead pimple that was there. It is kind of faded. So this is the last day and I was not really impressed. I don't know if you guys see any difference. What I'm gonna say is the aloe really feels good on my face. Will I still continue using it? Yes, I will, just for the feeling of it. But will I use it to treat my scars and pimples? I don't think, no, yeah, like I don't think so, guys. And I'm just gonna use it because I feel like it's nice. So if you didn't catch this is just a slide show of from day 1 till day 15 on how my face has been improving, inverted commas. So yeah, that is actually it from this video, guys. I just wanted to try out something new since I already broke out, so I didn't have anything to lose. You never know if there are cheaper methods of actually treating your face. You can cut some costs here and there. So anyways, I think so far my skincare that I always talk about, which I'm just gonna link down below, still wins till this day. Yeah, I don't have anything much to say. And if you're not subscribed, you guys, please do click on the subscribe button, give this video thumbs up. Please do like this video. Also do comment down below on your thoughts or anything that you want to say. If you have nothing to say, just comment bananas, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.